Vasudevaya. Vandeham Sri Guru Sri Juta Padakamalam. So that is the story of the prostitute, the Lokhohira. There was a prostitute whose charges was 1 lakh of pieces of diamond. It doesn't matter, a big diamond or small diamond, that was her charges. So, one man was suffering from leprosy and he was being assisted. She was being assisted by his wife, very faithful wife. So still he was morose. The wife asked the husband, why you are morose? I am giving him so much service. You are leper, you cannot move. I can take you, I take you on a basket and carry you. Still you feel unhappy. So he admitted, yes. Oh, what is the cause? Now I want to go to the prostitute, Lokhohira. Just see, he is leper, a poor man, and he is aspiring to go to a prostitute who charges 100,000 of pieces of diamond. So anyway, she was a faithful wife. She wanted to satisfy her husband. Somehow or other she arranged. Then, when the leper was at the house of the prostitute, the prostitute gave him very nice dishes of food, but everything in 2 dishes, everything. One in the golden pot, another in iron pot. So while he was eating, so he inquired the prostitute, why you have given me in 2 pots? Now, because I wanted to know whether you will feel different taste in different pots. So he said, no, I don't find any difference of taste. The soup in the golden pot and the soup in the iron pot, the taste is the same. Then why you have come here? This is foolishness. The whole world is going on there. They're simply trying to taste the same thing in different pots. They are not detestful. They are no more, sir. Are tasted enough. That is not kind. That is called Vairagya Vidya. No more tasting. It is all the same. Either I take in this pot or that pot. Therefore it is said that Sukham Andhyakam, this sense pleasure, it doesn't matter whether you enjoy as a dog or as a human being or a demigod or as a European or American or Indian, the taste is the same. This is very important. You cannot have a better taste. Better taste is only Krishna consciousness. Parang drishtya nivartate. So if you do not increase your taste for Krishna consciousness, then you will try to taste in this pot and that pot. That is it. That will be continued business and continued disease. To taste in this pot and that pot. It may be very tasteful in this pot, may be very tasteful. The whole world is going on. All these rascals, they go to different countries for tasting sex life. They go to Paris Sukham andirakam daitya Sadmatra labhati daivada jatha dukkham. Just like dukkham. Dukkham means unhappiness. So, suppose a millionaire is suffering from typhoid, and a poor man is suffering from typhoid. Does mean that the millionaire will have less distress than the poor man? When you have got typhoid fever, either you are a rich man or poor man. The sufferings of typhoid fever is the same. It does not mean that this man is very rich man. He is not suffering from typhoid. No. As unhappiness is the same in different parts, similarly the happiness also is the same in different parts. This is not. So why should I waste my time to test happiness and distress in different parts? The different parts means this different body. So this is not our business. Our business is to revive our original consciousness, Krishna consciousness. It doesn't matter in which part I am at the present moment. Ahitaki apratihata. You can test Krishna consciousness without any hesitation, without any check, without any hindrance. You can have. Simply, you have to see inside to our consciousness and rectify the consciousness that is required in this human form of life. And therefore, Prahlad Maharaj in the beginning said, Durlabham Manusangam. This understanding, this knowledge can be attained only in human form of life. These analyses of unhappiness and distress can be explained before a human. If I call 3 dozen dogs here and ask him, now hear Bhagavad, it is not good. The dog will not be able to understand Srimad Bhagavatam, but in man, however low he may be, if he has got little intelligence, he will be able to understand. Therefore, Prahlad Maharaj says, Durlabham Manusangam. You have got the opportunity to understand what is Bhagavad Dharma. Don't lose it like cats and dogs. Thank you. Hare Krishna, Krishna Krishna